Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block specific apps from internet access in GlassWire. This is the easiest and fastest way. First, what you can do is you need to open to your GlassWire app, and over here you need to click into this GlassWire Protect over here, and what you can do is you need to toggle on this firewall tab. You will see a list of applications currently using the internet. Find the app that you want to block. What you can do is simply select allowed here, and you can block anytime soon by simply clicking into this block, and when the icons turn red blocked, the app can no longer send or receive the internet data, and to unblock it you can simply click onto this unblock as well. And if you notice any suspicious activity, you can go to this graph. In order to go to the graph, go to this traffic monitor in the top and select this graph monitor here, and select the app causing the traffic over here. And this is useful when you do not know which app is using the data. You detect unusual background activity as well. And you can also go to this usage here. You can click any of this app, select the app, choose to block as well. And this method helps when you want to block app based on the data usage as well. In order to block, click onto this blocked over here. And that is it. The app will no longer access to the internet. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.